Hello! Day 7 of the NaNoWriMo 30-day challenge. Today's question is, where's your favorite place to hunker down and write? I will pretty much write anywhere. Back when I was in college, I really liked bookstores and cafes, but there isn't one near here. Most of my writing happens here at my computer. But since it's November and I have a lot of other things to do. Right now I'm doing a lot of my writing on my phone. I've got this app called let me see. Called Wordsmith. Looks like that. So I do a lot of my writing on there. You can set a word count goal for the chunk. So it tells me when I'm past the 1667 minimum, which is fantastic. So I can just keep like until my finger falls off or seizes up or something. I used to prefer to write longhand, so I would just like sit on the couch or sit in a chair somewhere waiting on people, and I would just write longhand. But then you have to type all of that, and I get so tired of doing everything twice. It's nice to have that extra buffer between your brain and what goes on the page, because you have to, you rethink it when you're typing it. So it's like in process editing, which is very cool. But it also means that I will have literally thousands and thousands of words on paper that I then have to type up all at once, and that is not good. I've done my other novel that I'm working on called Ember. I've done a couple of days work longhand, but I'm trying to keep that to a minimum because my previous novel, Married to the Wind, I did almost all of that in longhand, and that meant that I was spending whole days typing, and that is hard on my hand, hard on my eyes, hard on my back, because this is a terrible desk chair, and it slows down the process so much. So I'm trying to type directly into the computer. So I don't know if it's my favorite place to write, but usually I wind up sitting here at the computer desk and typing. Where do you like to type? Where do you like to write? Say it in the comments. See you tomorrow.